good morning, everybody. Well, whatever time you're watching this, but thank you so much, guys, for watching our videos again and catching up with us again. But today, it's a very, very special day, as today is our official car show. First car show of the season. I should say of the season because we have hosted many car shows in the past before, car meets, and they've always gone great. The turnouts are always great. And today is a beautiful day here in Chicagoland area. And we're actually hosting our first car show of the season, which is Easter related. The car show doesn't start till another hour. It's still currently about 10 a.m. We'll start at 11 a.m. We'll end at 6 p.m. We have Easter egg hunt for the kids. We'll have the Easter bunny here for the kids. You have free pictures with the Easter bunny, which is amazing, you know. I know a lot of places they charge for the Easter bunny, but we're currently here. We'll finish setting up over here for the car show. As you guys can see right there, we have Dexter, Manny, and then myself, and then we'll have Brandon coming later, Felix, and we'll have a lot of people coming later. But we already got some few cars already that showed up early. As you guys can see, we got a little bit of everything right now. We got trucks down over there. We got classics, hot rods, obviously JDM imports, more classics right there. We're all set up over there. We're expecting a pretty decent turnout tonight, or I should say today. So make sure you guys stay tuned and let's see what type of vehicles we get today. I'm actually really excited to see what the turnout's gonna look like. I know for a fact it should be good. Like I said, I've been having a lot of people hit me up the days before the show, asking me about the registration, asking me about the awards, which we have a lot of awards today for this show. We do have a lot of categories, including bikes, motorcycles, JDM, hot rods, muscle, you name it. But yeah, like I said, make sure you guys stay tuned and check out how this turnout goes for us today. And what you got there, Diego? You got waters?
Yeah.
You got a little bit of everything. Got flavor waters.
Yeah, I don't even know what
grape, got peach, raspberry, I think. Yeah.
Grape, peach, raspberry, strawberry. I don't even know what they are.
I don't know, but you gotta stay hydrated.
Yeah.
You never know. I need that decal. No, financial mistake.
Financial mistake.
Yeah.
Try to go our separate ways. We're back and forth like a swinging door in the mall.
Sorry, Diego.
Yesterday, someday better than the night before, and you're back with me again. Then you go and tell your friends that I'm the problem. You're
You got that candy bag over there.
wrong if I'm
Right there, but let's see if they last, because I tell you, the last show we did, the Halloween car show, somebody took all the candy. All the candy. Yeah, the other side.
We're still missing Rex, bro. We're missing Rex.
Yeah, you even forgot your costume, really? Well. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to traffic, so anyway. I recognize him. He's from Where the Wheels too. Oh, this guy there.
You got the best?
No, I didn't bring the traffic vest today.
Man.
Yeah. Not bad, yeah. I didn't want to think about it. Z06.
Somebody pour me a drink, somebody pour me a smoke. I'm about to get on a buzz, I'm about to get on a roll.
That Honda Slam, dude. That one. Okay. All right, go ahead. What do you got here, my man?
2017 Cadillac ESV, completely customized.
Okay.
4.6 of Beltec drop kit.
Okay.
Right over the hood. While he's doing that. Where's everybody else at? I don't know who's coming from the club, but no dark.
Oh man, look at that cool air intake.
Dual alternator.
How much was the intake?
I don't know. I forgot.
It looks expensive. This is 6.0?
Oh, 6.2.
6.2, okay.
6.2 with the 8-speed trans. Same thing as the Corvettes.
Okay. So similar to the CTSV, basically.
Read the last one, the one on the bottom.
Yeah, that thing is mint. It's clean. You got the digital cluster right there. Hey man, you should get one of these. You're looking for a truck, aren't you? I know he's looking for a truck. Yeah, I think it's nice. Shy Wicked. The speakers right there.
Something's got a hold on me lately, though I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind, how many times did I tell you I'm no good at
Fiber. You can never go wrong with carbon fiber, my man.
it's taking a
You got carbon fiber.
trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones.
Hey man, is that carbon fiber right there? Yeah. Oh man, this thing sounds perfect.
You're
Dude.
not next to me. I'm falling apart right in front of you.
I didn't think about that till you said it. Okay.
When you're not next to me. Yeah, you break my problematic. Problem is I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits, how to break in with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know I can do it.
Diego, sit in there. Sit in there, man.
It's on the factory radio.
Oh, for real? Look.
Problem is when I'm with you, I'm
Okay.
and I need some relief. My skin ain't your teeth. Can't
man.
see the forest through the trees. Got me down on my knees, darling, please.
Hey, Manny, sit in there. See what you feel. Man.
When you're not next to me, I'm falling apart right in front of you.
Oh man. My heart. I can feel it in my chest. Like I was telling Tito, if you have a heart attack, just put this truck in on, you know, put in the speakers all the way on, and it will be revived. You don't need no CPR. Man. Okay. What would you say is the most expensive modification you have done to this car? So far. Everything.
Everything.
How much is for the speakers overall? Everything. The installation, with subwoofers.
Well, me and my son did the whole entire install. Of the whole
Okay,
car.
okay.
I say about 60 grand, 70 grand altogether.
Not bad, okay. I love it because it's loud and it's not raspy. It's clean, you know? There's a lot of cars that have really loud.
What's missing?
When you're not here with me.
Vocal.
No. Vocals are there.
Okay. Because you got the bass pretty good. And it's loud.
Hey,
To me, you're not missing anything, you know?
restart the song. Shut the bass all the way down. And raise up the bass.
He's asking what's he missing
Yeah.
from the audio. Oh, to me, I like it. I like how it is.
There's no bass.
Okay.
Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good
Is it
at
the door
being
speakers?
alone?
We're all in there.
Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from
Yeah,
tearing
your
the
speakers there,
skin
yeah,
off
yeah.
my bones. Don't you know
you manage to
You're next to
get no rattle?
12 layers of dampener on the roof.
Okay.
Rear corner panel got 3 layers and 13 cans of spray foam on each side.
Okay.
The floor has 3 layers.
Okay.
The doors have 5 layers. The back door has 4 layers.
Man, I don't know what to tell you. Oh yeah, you can hear that.
Difference.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you can hear it.
Knock on the roof. Pick any spot, knock on the roof. No. Yeah.
Oh, that's solid, bro. That's solid. Oh man.
See, when me and my son do builds, we do it for ourselves.
Of course, yeah.
Okay? People can't afford us. See, honestly, they can't afford to build themselves. People ask me, hey, Joe, I want what you have. And I give them a list. I don't sell nothing. I give them a list of everything I need. They
Of
go,
course.
no, they back down.
Okay.
Okay? But this is done right.
Absolutely, yeah. It's
Okay?
quality here.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, if you want it done right, it's going to cost.
Of course, yeah. You pay, and that's what you're gonna get. You know.
Now, where's my C-Max battery?
Oh shit.
Where's my Sounds battery?
I'm assuming it's probably hidden in the trunk somewhere. No.
Under the seats.
Go look.
Go look.
look.
Yeah, go. Go.
Wait, what is he for?
That's not.
What's back there?
It's not.
Is that back there? Oh shit. It's definitely not in the front.
Well, see,
Yep.
one, I fucked up. Okay? If you would have looked inside,
I
you
was
would have
back
seen
there.
the wires. It's in
In the center console, I was gonna say center console.
Oh, okay, okay. That's a nice spot.
It's
It is.
in the center console. That's all custom made.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's not.
No, that's not stock. It comes with nothing back there.
And then you got the LEDs. Okay, so batteries in the custom center console with the TV screen right
If
there.
we're still here at night, you'll see how it lights up at night.
Yeah, I definitely want to see this thing. Man, this thing's so
What is it,
dark.
Three rows.
Huh?
Three rows.
Three rows.
Yeah.
It's so dark back here. I could honestly take a nap. But with those speakers, I cannot take a nap.
Here. This is how it looks at night. It was from last night with our drone footage.
Oh man, is that a DJI drone
Yes.
right there? Okay, okay,
That's the Avatar 2.
okay. Oh man, you got underglows in this. Oh, look
yeah.
at the wheels. Okay. And then you got lights in the speakers. Okay.
Yep.
Man, this car is sick at nighttime, bro. This thing is sick. This thing is already sick like how it is right now.
And we're just barely getting started with it. When did you get it? Last year. This year we've got all stock.
What year is this one you said?
17.
17.
All the door, the truck, it comes with 16 factory speakers and tweeters.
Okay.
All of them have been changed. And plus we added 4 more door speakers in the center console.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay.
Those are all 6.5s.
So basically, there's not a spot you're gonna miss in the truck that there's no speaker.
No, I mean
Okay.
there is no customization done to the door panels. I didn't want to touch them
Gotcha.
all.
Okay.
Okay, like we did on our other truck.
Yeah.
There's the Resilient Sounds Ninos at 6.5s.
Okay.
For 300 RMS each, just for door speakers.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I got 8 of them in this car, and I
Okay.
have Stenson 2K on them.
Yeah, you can see it right there.
This is the only modification we had to do
Okay.
because the tweeters were not fitting in the
And
original
then
spots.
these are speakers, I'm assuming.
No, they're
Man, you got me
AC
scared for a
No,
second.
that's AC and the heated, cool seats.
Nice. Okay.
That's the vent for 'em.
Gotcha. Okay. I thought there were speakers for a second.
No.
I'm like, oh god, are there the speakers in the back of the seat too? Okay. Wow.
I wish I could say that, but no.
For right now, right?
I'm not gonna lie about it.
Okay. Man.
Like that.
Well, Joe, I love your truck. Honestly, it's clean. The build is perfect. You know, you cannot go wrong with whatever you just did with the truck. I'm actually excited to see what you're gonna do next to it. And it's gonna be either a ramp, more speakers, right? Exhaust maybe, right? I mean, you're dealing here with a 6.2. So you got a VA in there. You got a pretty decent sized VA in there. But I love it. I really do love it. It's a great looking truck. It's beautiful. And like you said, the best part about it is the rattle. There's no rattle in the truck with the speakers. No matter how loud those speakers are, there's no rattle in this truck. And I think that's really demonstrates the quality.
With the old last year, we had the Resilient Sound 15 Platinums in there.
Okay.
The regular ones.
Yeah.
The original ones.
Okay.
The truck did at officials metering.
Okay.
It did 151.8 decibels.
Damn. Okay.
Just at 215s.
Have you been to sound competitions yet?
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
That's what I'm talking about. This truck won 2 first place trophies and 1 second place trophy.
Are you gonna have more, or this pretty much it for you?
No, we upgraded to the version 2s.
Okay.
So those are 2,500 RMS each.
Okay.
So I went, and they peak at 5,000 each.
Okay. Okay.
So I went up 2,000 RMS in the box, and then we wired them at a half of them.
Gotcha.
We upgraded the amp. Last year we had a Stenson 8K in there, Bravo. base.
Okay. All right.
So this year we have the Stenson Bravo Flex 8K.
Okay.
That allows me to run at 0.5 ohms. Okay.
Okay. Man.
Now, once I get tired of the truck, we'll take that box out and put the 615s in there.
Man.
That'll be on destroy mode.
What size are your subs in the back right now?
15s.
15s. Okay. And that's actual real carbon fiber you
Yes,
have
sir.
in there. Man, that's crazy.
Knock on them.
Hey, look at the low riders.
Tap on them. Don't knock on them, but tap on them. Tap on the carbon fiber.
Dude, that's actual real carbon fiber. Oh man, that's real carbon fiber. That's crazy.
Even the dust caps are real carbon fiber.
Oh man, that's crazy. That's actual real carbon fiber. Well, I don't know. That's one of your guys. No, that's 708.
That's Felipe.
Oh, you know him. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Does he have speakers too? Okay.
We got airbag suspension. His shorts goes up.
All right. Well, thank you, Joe, for your demonstration of your truck. I mean, this truck is awesome. I love it. I'm pretty sure truck people are going to see this video are going to love the truck because, I mean, it's clean. It's modified the way it's supposed to be modified, and it's just nice. I honestly love how the truck is. I mean, and then the tints in the back, and you know, when you can look at the back, it's so dark in the back now. It's like you could take a nap, but with those
2
speakers.
number 5s are on there.
2 5s, okay.
Yeah.
So what percentage would that be, man? You had 2 5s, didn't you?
No, 5s. It's 5% twice.
Okay, you had twice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he had it in his Lexus. Yeah, it was super pitch
Yeah,
black in that car.
Plus the black glass makes it even more.
Especially when they're high quality tints, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because look at that. Man, that's dark. All right, Joe. Well, thank you so much.
Thank
Good luck
you.
with your truck, and keep up the modifications. It's
Yeah,
It's amazing.
We're just getting started on it, buddy.
baby it, that's for sure.
Uh-huh.
All right, Joe. We'll see you around.
All right.
Thank you. Bro, he's even wearing the jersey. Hey. Honestly, and I'm sorry, but I'm not a fan of Jeeps. Not the Wranglers. Not the Wranglers. Well, we have a lot of spectators coming in too with kids and their families, you know, for the Easter egg hunt. So spectators are parking along over there, along the dealership, Alpamani Ford dealership, and then the cars, exhibit cars, will be parking mostly this area, that area right there, and then the other side of the building. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good turnout right now. Like I said, we just started right now, so this is the start amount of cars we have right now, and then obviously this Cars and Coffee. There's like 6 different Cars and Coffee going right now, so we might, once those Cars and Coffee end, we are expected to have more cars show up anytime soon. So, but yeah, it's not bad. It actually got pretty windy out here, right? If it wasn't windy, it would have been nice, but it got windy, it got cloudy, 60 degrees, so it feels kind of like 40-ish. But yeah, let's find out. I hope we get more cars right now. Like I said, it's still early, but we'll see.
If not, I'll give you what you go.
It's okay.
Why is he so scared?
He just doesn't spend a lot of time in big events. Come here. Sit.
It's not used to
Sit.
being with a lot of people around.
Down. Down. Leave it. No, down. Down. Leave it. He's too distracted.
There's too much going on for him right now.
Down. Down. Stay. Still distracted.
Oh, so we got Mom's Pet Grooming Shop right here. They're giving away free treats for the dogs. They have cakes, cookies. I don't know what else for the dogs, but
Rocky. No.
this is Rocky. He's scared. King Corso dog, 200. No, I'm sorry, not 200. 120 pounds. But yeah, it's a dog-friendly event. People can bring their dogs, you know, for retreats, grooming offers, specials. Everything's here. But right now, there's quite a few decent dogs. You got Rocky to the King Corso. You got a couple of Shih Tzus, an American Bully, which I don't see him no more. I know he's somewhere around here. But yeah, it's dog-friendly event too, family-friendly event. Easter Bunny is down over there getting ready. We have a lot of people actually showing up. There's my friend right there. But right now, yeah, we're gonna see where we how we're gonna end up in a couple hours because it's starting to get busy out of nowhere.
Raffle tickets by the registration table. We got raffle tickets. We got a couple of raffles going on. We also got 50-50 raffle tickets. So go ahead and step by the registration table. And then go ahead and put the other box up.
Trying to get rid of them all. Okay.
That's crazy. We're not even halfway through. You already sold half of them. Of the Hot Wheels.
Back out again. 20 more out.
Yeah, you got a little bit of everything too.
Everything's coming out, bro. Hey, Suzuki Samurai, you can't find them, but I got them. Hey!
Oh yeah. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You know what's the best part about it? You got the rusty decal on it. Some cars, yeah, you get the rusty decal on it. I actually like it. Yeah, but you guys can see we got a few low riders that just showed up right now. They're all together, gonna be parking together, I believe, across over there. There's another guy right here. Some low riders over here. We got a little bit of everything right now, but like I said, show started about an hour ago. We're starting to have a lot of people started showing up because, like I said, there was cars and coffee right now. Well, I should say right now, it just ended, and right now we're getting pretty decent turnout. So, like I said, it is windy, unfortunately, but the weather's still not bad. It's still doable. It's still 60-something degrees. It's just breezy, cloudy, but people still showed up. We still have a decent amount of cars here, and we're expecting more. So we're definitely getting ready to overfill this lot. We got overfill parking ready to go, just in case we do need it, because I'm sure we are gonna need it. And from there, yeah, I mean, it's pretty good turnout, you guys. We got a line of cars all the way up to North Avenue right now. You guys can see. We got the bikes right there. More riders pulling up. The Mustang, the lifted truck. Looks like I got the Cord. It looks the Hyundai behind this part of it too. So, yeah, pretty good turnout. Pretty good turnout so far. We're starting to get busy. We're starting to get busy, and I love it. Man. That's good. Nice car, bro. Nice car. Man. Yeah, CTSV pulling up too, right there. Vienen muchos carros, a lot of cars. Oh God, we're starting to get really busy. Oh man. Man, what's this? You approve, Diego?
Huh?
You approve?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, this is nice. V6.
Yeah, we made those cases
Yeah,
first.
we were wondering if this was an RT. Oh, it's clean though. Man, that guy right there though. That one right there.
Wonder if he got under that cow hood.
Where did we see? I know we saw him before. I think he was in the militia car meet. I think.
No. No.
No,
That
it
one
wasn't?
was a white one trying to pop the meat.
No, that was a black one.
Oh,
The
yeah.
black one. Yeah, it was this kid revving his car that was trying to pop the meat,
I
but
think it was a V6 too.
no, it was a V8.
It was?
Yeah. Okay, so this is all spectator parking here.
I gotta open visits to kids either way.
Yeah. So this is all spectator parking right here. Then right there, I actually want to go see that V right there, but looks like what is that, man? A GS right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it got some wheels on it too. Yeah, look at the V. Man, I love this car, bro. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, the BMW is clean. Yo,
I'm telling you, bro. Overland build.
what?
Overland build, bro.
Overland build?
Toyotas. Gotta get one, bro. Fuck, I'm buying a Hammer.
Yeah, well, buy one. Buy one. I ain't holding you back. Yeah.
My name, bro.
Man, look at this, dude. Yeah, I got concerned for a second. I tell you, we got flooded with cars like within like 5 minutes or so, or less. We got flooded. I could say easily within the 5 minutes. Maybe we had about, well, what would be an estimate? Maybe about 20 cars show up in like 5-6 minutes. We had a line on North Avenue, but thankfully they're all settled in the parking lot, and there's no more issues. But yeah, oh man.
Saline. Now the Saline, what is it? 545, 575X?
Okay.
The Challenger? That thing is fucking, the Hellcat before the Hellcat.
I thought that was a Labubu for a second when I saw it from far. Nah. This manual too. Man, this thing is, it's
Let me see if I can-
mint too,
see if
bro.
I
It's
can
really
pull
clean. He gone. He gone, Diego. He gone.
Oh.
Please. Like that. Oh, flag's kind of. Well, at least it's kind of secured, kind of. Alright. We got still more cars pulling up, you guys can see. More low riders. Things are clean cars.
At least you know you had a good friend.
Hey, is there no more parking?
There should be down there.
On the other side? I think these
They
guys
can
are trying
park
to,
right
I think
here,
they're trying to park right here where we're standing at. Yeah, they got a couple spots right there, and this one, I don't know whose Honda that is. Humble Park Hoopties? Humpties? I don't know. But maybe you can fit one right there and another one right here. Hey, you still got the siren? Yeah, bro. A ver? Yeah, bro.
Is it good?
Man, this is clean, bro.
Hey, somebody's
I know this guy. Yeah, he's been awarded wheels for the last like 4 or 5 years. If you guys know Sting from wrestling, he actually got that car autographed with Sting. He got pictures with Sting with that car. He's done so much with that car, Sting related. Usually when he comes to car shows like World of Wheels, he would actually dress up as Sting. He would bring the costume, and then from there he will see what where he would participate or how he would participate. All right, well, we had to move the cars because we're technically running out of parking now, so we get these two spots that we were at to them two, and then we move the cars down over there. So, I mean, it's not a bad spot, right? Regardless. But yeah, we're getting packed. We're getting really packed over here, but I love it. I love the turnout. I love people. I love how people are actually wanting to come out, you know, show off the cars. It's been a long winter, like I have said before, but definitely it's going to be a great season. This is just the beginning. This is just the season opener. So this would be really, really a good positive note for us as we continue to do car meets, car shows, cruise nights, and not only here in Scotland area, but anywhere, you know. We're really excited. We actually just got a message right now. We're here doing this car show about hosting another car show here in Illinois, Northern Illinois. So we're gonna see, still gotta talk to him. Like I said, I'm gonna talk to him after the car show. After this car show, I'm gonna talk to them, and we're gonna work out some details, see what they want, what they require from us, what would they like to see from us. But as of right now, I still haven't talked to them. I still need to message them. I told them that I'm busy with this car show. I'm email them back as soon as we're done with this event, because I still gotta focus on all this. We still gotta judge vehicles. We still gotta focus on the parking right now. That we're still open for registration, so we can still expect more cars. And right now, like I said, the raffle is still going. The 50-50 raffle. We got a 50-50 raffle, and we also got a raffle for a bunch of awards we got in the back over where the registration booth is at. So yeah, like I was saying, so right now it's a good turnout, it's a great turnout. A little bit of everything, like I said, the JDM, American Muscle, classics, lowriders. I mean, hot rods, you can name it all. Even motorcycles, you can see right behind me. But yeah, right now it's great turnout. We're gonna see how we're gonna end up being in a few hours. And then from there, we'll get along with the awards. And
That's under the spectator price.
do we got spots? It's because it depends. When they show up, they could say, I'm here to spectate or I'm here to show cars. So it's possible that he told him, I'm here to spectate the vehicle. See, like this car is a show car, they're sending him this way, you see? Spectators go that way. That's what I last understood. But yeah, this guy is definitely showing up on his vehicle. And then I'm assuming, yeah, Honda say, whatever. Yeah, Hondizi, whatever. Yeah, but yeah, we've been knowing him for quite a while. We knew he got this van, I think, off his mom.
Yeah.
And look, he got the side pipe now. He got that thing lowered. He got wheels on it. He got all that camber on that vehicle and that van, which I love. I was the guy that was here, right? Yeah. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, the cars actually look good right there. You could hardly see the food truck. I wish he would have pulled up a little bit closer to where like the Mazda, the black Mazda's parked right there. But you know, I guess that people get the gist of it, you know, especially to come over here. Oh man, I forgot to start it on my wheel, but I guess. Good, bro. That thing sounds good. I know this guy. What's up, Mr. JP?
What's up,
How you doing, my man?
Bless you, brother.
Yeah, here we are, man. It's another day.
Man. See you, man. What's going on, Jimmy? What's up, brother?
Did they tell you where to park?
They said go this way.
Okay, this is a spot right here as well. So
where at?
Right here next to that Altima, the red Altima, right here. there's a
Right
few
down here.
cars coming though, right this way. Yeah, so.
We'll find something.
All right, Jimmy. Oh, Marcos is here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Marcos is here.
Bro, Peter's gonna hurry up.
Yep, it's been a few hours already. He still hasn't come, and he lives 10 minutes away from here. Marcos lives at least 30 or 40 minutes away from here, so I don't know, but he made it. Marcos beat him. Man, look at that, bro. He is low. There he is.
I'll tell her right now. It's just a no to call cops.
Ooh, close. That was a close call. Hey, what's up, bro?
What up, bro?
How you doing, my man?
Good, you?
Oh, we're chilling, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm bags already. Yeah. Oh, Felix is here.
Finally.
Yeah. Felix. Where? We're still waiting for one more car, two more cars.
Hey, why'd you bring
Let's
her?
We're good. Yeah, MLW merch.
Bro?
Yeah, she got MLW.
Oh. I thought I gave her one of the new shit. No. Oh yeah, that's the same. Yeah. Hey, when did you start the bags?
Huh?
When did you start the bags in the car?
Like 2.5 weeks ago?
No way, bro. That's crazy, dude. I remember when you like first had this car. It was stopped.
Yeah, it was
Completely stopped.
It was stopped like 13 years ago. My family
Yeah.
had it for 13 years.
That's crazy, bro. Hey,
12 years.
what does your family say about it now, though?
They like it.
They like it,
Everyone
bro.
I show it to Lacey pretty much at this point.
Damn. So you got the camber kit, right?
No, that's
There's no camber?
That's the factory camber.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Sorta. Sorta. Yeah. I didn't get a real camber.
You were with Marcos, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where is he?
He's somewhere over there.
Did he bring
Did
something
he bring
or?
the bee or? Huh? Did he bring the bee? No, he brought the truck. The truck?
Oh, that must have been him. Yeah. The Silverado, right? The Silverado or I think it's here.
C1500.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Yeah, his mom's over there too.
Oh, that's his mom?
Super bee.
That's his mom?
Yeah.
Oh, so it was
That's
him.
why. Yeah,
So
totally
it
never
was
related.
him.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Damn, not bad. All right. All right. Well, let's see. We got Felix that pulled up. We had the Honda Say pull up. Obviously, I'm there. Manny's down there with the S3. We're still missing Brandon. He's gonna pull up in his 8.3. But yeah, we are here right now. Majority of us are here right now. But we currently are almost out of parking, or I should say we're out of parking. It's incredible. I still have not gotten the exact numbers of the registration yet. I'm kind of excited to find out how many cars have registered here because it's a decent amount of cars. This is definitely a lot more than our car show from last year. Well, the Halloween car show from last year, or last car show I could say, which was held in October after we came back from Gallenberg. Yeah, definitely a great turnout. We have cars parked all over the place. I mean, definitely check this out, you guys.
I got the OEM Chrome one.
Cars everywhere. And tonight, take into consideration that there's cars over here to the right side over here, and then right here on the left side spot by the taco truck. So right now we're, what do you think, Diego?
What?
Turnout compared to last year.
Oh, compared to last year, hell yeah.
A lot better, a lot better.
We have the spectator lot full. We have the car, my actual show cars lot full. We're having to move over to fucking concessions for lot.
Yeah, to open more spots for cars. Man, I mean, I need to take into consideration bigger lots for next year, but yeah, guys, I mean, great turnout so far. And like I said, this is just the first one of the season for us, so we are definitely excited to do a lot more. This support and this turnout really gets us excited and gets us moving to do a lot more for you guys. But as of right now, this is what we got.
I did the tail lights.
So, like I was saying, we are currently here right now, and then that beautiful orange Z06 is Cool Car Law. So it's Jimmy P, Cool Car Law. I mean, definitely a great attorney. As you can see, he's a car guy. He loves cars, and believe it or not, this is not his only car. So if you guys need legal advice, traffic related, whatsoever, Cool Car Law is your guy to go to. And I'll let you guys see the description below to let you guys know where you guys can contact him and where you guys can find him. Alright guys, we're almost there. Registration's about to close in about maybe 50 minutes. So right now we're currently still open for registration for all type of class vehicles, motorcycles, hot rods, whatever it is here. But right now we did mess up. Unfortunately, we forgot the, not that we forgot, but the porta potties haven't gotten here. And so everybody's asking me for the bathroom. They were supposed to be here about, what, like 4 hours ago, and they have not gotten here for some reason. And we keep calling them. They're like, oh, we're on the way, and they have not shown up yet. So we're wondering if the porta potties are gonna get here any second. Because, I mean, why would you just show up 1 hour before the show ends, right? It's kind of pointless. I mean, yeah, people might use it, but regardless, still will be pointless. But yeah, we are missing porta potties, so there is no bathroom currently right now. And this Pep Boys doesn't exist no more here in this location. It's gone. They unfortunately don't have any bathrooms or any availability inside right now for us to use at all. But yeah, I hope porta potties get here. But yeah, unfortunately, we messed up on that part. Not really, it was our mess up. It's mostly like these people are not showing up, and fortunately, people are looking for the bathrooms right now. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so far, regardless, despite of all that, it's still a great turnout. Everybody's still happy, having a great time. Easter egg hunt got done already. There was like a pair of girls that got a bunch of eggs, which was pretty impressive. And then right now, the Easter bunny is walking around. If I could find the bunny around somewhere, but yeah, it's good. It's good turnout right now so far. Like I said, we are still here. We'll still remain open. Like I said, for a little bit, but after that, we're going to be shutting the registration, and then from there, we're going to start judging vehicles, because we do have a bunch of vehicles to judge over here, as you guys can see. Alright guys, thanks so much for all tuning in again. Once again, we're here at the car show. It is busy, it is big, it is more cars are still coming in. Despite registration closed up almost 30 minutes ago, it's still cars coming in left and right, and it's cool. I love seeing this. I just don't know if we got any more parking. But yeah, we're really excited. Just taking a small break right now before we actually go outside and we start judging vehicles. There's a lot of vehicles to judge. For sure, all type of classes. We have at least 8-9 different classes. So we have to get the judge sheet out. We're gonna score sheet as well. You know, just scoring points. From there, we'll see who wins best of show, best bike, best JDM, best Euro, best lowrider, which is gonna be a pretty hard class. There's a lot of lowriders here. But as of right now, we're still here. We're taking a small break as of right now. Diego, Felix, once they all left to the gas station real quick, get some food, but they'll be right back in a second. Once they're back, then we'll start judging vehicles. But as of right now, we're taking a small break, and then we'll start judging vehicles, and then after that, let's get to awards, and let's see who takes the awards home. But I'm really excited to start judging vehicles. It's gonna be a really hard competition.
Good luck on the day.
Alright, bro had to leave early. He had a day, a very important day. He had his flowers and everything.
That's understandable.
Yeah.
I respect that.
Yeah, of course, absolutely.
Nothing you know, you tell me. You have to do it in the trash.
Hey. I knew you had a Hellcat just pull up, a purple Hellcat. I just can't find it no more. It has to be somewhere around here. You can't go further than that, but yeah, there's a purple Hellcat pull up. I'm looking for it. Wide body Hellcat. You know, for a second I thought that was Brandon, but no, that is not Brandon. But Brandon will be pulling up in a little second, just in a few. Yeah, as you guys can see, it is still packed. We got Diego taking care of the table right now. Judge is about to start a second, and we're still watching and monitoring the parking lot as vehicles still come in and out.
the dance that I see. He's dancing his way back to me. He's dancing his way back to me. Music plays, get away, just keep grooving and come back to you again.
That's it.
You know, I wouldn't mind driving one of those, to be honest.
Really bar in the back too.
Yeah. It's not bad. I feel like, see, the Honda's clean. That blue Honda. K-Series US chapter. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have space for them. Oh God. Oh man, there's more cars coming in too. More K-Series guys. Yeah. Well. Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna park those. All right, Brandon's here.
I'm here.
Fire's car over. Show is finally concluded for the day. Congratulations to all the winners. There was great. I was judging. It was really hard. Really, and I'll be honest, it was really hard to judge the vehicles. I had over 22 vehicles I had to judge, modified and stock classic vehicles. So all I'm gonna say right now is that it was a great turnout. I'm honestly really happy with the turnout that we had for today's show. Really looking forward to the other shows coming up. We definitely are gonna do more shows in the upcoming future. All right, guys, we are fully done. Car show was a success. Everybody's gone. It's just Brandon, Felix, my car, and some few people right there loading their stuff up, right, getting ready to go. Believe it or not, those people are coming from Wisconsin, so they're actually loading up the trailers, the bikes in the trailers, and you know, just getting ready to hit the road. In Wisconsin, from here, you know, depending on what part of Wisconsin, it's quite a drive. But guys, thank you so much for everybody who came to our show. Thank you so much for support. You know, they came to support us. It's been such a great turnout, great experience. It was great seeing you. A lot of old familiar faces I have not seen in so long, but at the same time, guys, thank you so much for watching and supporting our videos. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. At the end of the day, like I said, we're gonna be doing a lot more car shows, car meets, car cruise nights. We have, like I said earlier today, we have a lot of people hitting us up to help them host car shows and cruise nights, especially for a good cause. And I love doing it for a good cause. Believe it or not, even the police department. So we're gonna start getting to work right after this. We're gonna start putting a lot of stuff together, permits, signs, merch, everything that we possibly can, because time goes by fast, but we must, you know, get it done as soon as we can. That way we're ready for the next event. But once again, guys, thank you all so much for watching the videos. My name is Oscar from Mozzarella Wealth. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Like I said, there's a lot more great content coming up in the near future, and you guys don't want to miss out. And I'm sure you guys are gonna love it, because if I love it, you guys are gonna love it for sure. But thank you all so much. Have a great day, and keep modifying your car. Don't forget to keep modifying your car.